Welcome! Today we are making Spanish baked chicken with potatoes, an easy dinner that gives you juicy paprika roasted chicken, tender potatoes, and bright lemon flavor all from one baking dish. This recipe serves 4 people, with 15 minutes of prep, 55 minutes of baking, and 5 minutes of resting. Let's walk through the ingredients, starting with 4 bone and skin-on chicken thighs, about 2 pounds. The bone keeps the meat juicy, and the skin turns beautifully golden in the oven. 1.5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes give the dish its comforting base. Slice them into thin rounds about 1/4 inch thick so they become tender while the chicken roasts. 1 large yellow onion brings sweetness and moisture. Thin slices melt into the potatoes and make the pan juices taste richer. 1 red bell pepper adds color and gentle sweetness. Cut it into strips so it roasts evenly with the onion and potatoes. 4 cloves of garlic add the savory backbone. Mince them finely so the flavor spreads through every layer of vegetables. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil help everything roast instead of drying out. It also carries the paprika flavor across the chicken and potatoes. 2 teaspoons of sweet smoked paprika give this Spanish dinner its signature color and gentle smoky warmth. Use sweet paprika, not hot, for a family-friendly flavor. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt seasons both the chicken and the vegetables. Dividing it keeps every bite balanced. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper adds a gentle bite. It supports the paprika without overpowering the chicken. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme brings an herbal note. It works especially well with roasted chicken, potatoes, and lemon. 1/2 cup of dry white wine creates flavorful steam and pan juices. Pour it around the chicken later so the skin still crisps. 1 lemon, cut into wedges, brightens the whole tray. As it bakes, it perfumes the chicken and gives you a fresh squeeze at serving time. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley finish the dish with color and freshness. Add it only at the end so it stays bright. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit so it is fully hot before the chicken goes in. While the oven heats, pat the 4 chicken thighs dry with paper towels. A dry surface helps the olive oil and paprika coating cling and helps the skin brown. Next, slice 1.5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes into rounds about 1/4 inch thick. Keeping them even helps every slice become tender at the same time. Now thinly slice 1 large yellow onion, slice 1 red bell pepper into strips, and mince 4 cloves of garlic. These vegetables will roast underneath the chicken and flavor the potatoes. In the baking dish, combine the potatoes, onion, red bell pepper, and garlic with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sweet smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Once the vegetables are coated, spread them into an even layer in the baking dish. This creates a bed that cooks evenly and catches the chicken juices. Now season the chicken with the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sweet smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Rub it all over the skin and meat. Place the seasoned chicken thighs skin side up on top of the vegetables. Keeping the skin exposed is the key to a golden roasted finish. Pour 1/2 cup of dry white wine around the edges of the baking dish, not over the chicken skin. The wine makes flavorful pan juices while the skin stays ready to crisp. Tuck the lemon wedges around the chicken in the baking dish. They will roast into the juices and give the whole tray a bright Spanish-style lift. Bake the tray for 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. During this first roast, the chicken starts browning and the potatoes begin soaking up the juices. After 30 minutes, spoon the pan juices over the potatoes and vegetables, but leave the chicken skin exposed. This keeps the base moist without softening the crisping skin. Return the dish to the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes more, until the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit and the potatoes are tender when pierced. Let the tray rest for 5 minutes, then sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley and serve with the roasted lemon wedges. That completes the cooking, and the tray is ready for the final reveal. And here it is, the easy Spanish baked dinner we promised: juicy paprika chicken, tender potatoes, sweet vegetables, and bright roasted lemon from one simple baking dish. Serve it hot with those pan juices spooned over the potatoes. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more easy dinners.